welcome to Banc Binary's Ahead of the Week report, bringing you all the important trading and market events for the 2nd to the 6th of June. Don't forget that all times stated are Greenwich Mean Time. Starting with Monday the 2nd of June, we start the week in the UK with the release of manufacturing PMI figures for May. UK manufacturing exceeded expectations in April as output surged to an 8-month high and exports increased. This month, more good news is expected, with numbers forecast to increase from 57.3 to 58.4. Traders should therefore look out for trading opportunities on sterling and the FTSE 100 index. Also expected are US ISM manufacturing PMI figures. Positive figures so far this year suggest second quarter economic growth, so we look to a further positive reading which may open up put opportunities with the Euro USD. On to Tuesday, we move to Europe for the latest consumer price index flash estimate. Eurozone inflation fell short of economists' predictions for the second month in a row, leaving the threat of deflation hanging over the European Central Bank. Expectations are that ultra-low inflation may gain a grip in the Eurozone, spurring consumers and businesses to delay purchases, so it looks increasingly likely that the ECB will take fresh easing measures. This would also prompt Banc Binary analysts to look for tradable opportunities on the euro pairs. We move to Wednesday and the release of the US trade balance figures. The US trade deficit narrowed to minus $40.4 billion in March, as exports grew to the highest in 9 months, signalling continuing US growth. Economists expect the trade deficit will keep narrowing this year as exports propelled by an energy production boom grow faster than imports. So there's a strong possibility we'll see positive trade balance numbers, prompting Banc Binary analysts to look at put opportunities on the Euro USD. On Thursday, it's over to Canada for April's building permits data. Canadian building permits fell unexpectedly in March to the lowest level since February 2013, following a big 11.3% decrease the previous month. Recent figures have been volatile, with March figures 26% below the record high reached last July. Overall, the trend has been downward in recent months, so a further decline in April's figures could be expected, which would apply downward pressure on the Canadian dollar and open up call opportunities on the USD CAD. And so on to Friday. We end the week with the all-important non-farm payrolls report. Last month, employers boosted payrolls by 288,000, the biggest increase in 2 years. This month's non-farm payroll forecast is 224,000, which is slightly down on April's figures, but this month's manufacturing PMI data surpassed expectations, the effects of which could be reflected in May's employment figures, so we may see NFP exceeding forecasts. In this event, Banc Binary analysts will be looking at put opportunities on the euro dollar. That concludes our roundup of the key trading events for the 2nd to the 6th of June 2014. Keep watching for all next week's key trading events, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for instant access to all Banc Binary's market news and analysis. Thanks for watching Ahead of the Week. Until next week, goodbye.